The Trisha Stratman trial may be over, but emotions on both sides are still very raw. A jury found Stratman not guilty of negligent homicide in the death of Holman High School student Brandon Jennings in July of last year.
News 8's Pauline Lee was in the courtroom last night and now joins us live for more.
It took the jury about 3.5 hours to reach a verdict, but no matter what the outcome was, the impact of this case will be felt for a long time.
We, the jury, find the defendant, Trisha Stratman, not guilty. Dated the 10th day of November 2011.
In a matter of seconds, Trisha Stratman went from facing a possible 10-year prison sentence to being cleared of the negligent homicide charge against her.
Relief. Certainly it was anticipating this result. I thought the evidence supported it. I think the case went in consistent with the jury's finding. But you never know till you hear it.
The Department of Justice released a statement today saying, "We are confident we proved every element of the case. The jury has spoken and we respect their decisions. Our thoughts remain with the families and those affected by this tragedy." Stratman's defense attorney says even though she was found not guilty, the case may have some unintended consequences on the way law enforcement officers do their job.
Fortunately, I think it sends a mixed message to law enforcement. Even though there was an acquittal here, I think there's a danger that every law enforcement officer is going to second-guess themselves in emergency mode.
The La Crosse County Sheriff's Department fired Stratman last August after an internal investigation. Stratman challenged her termination, but the firing was upheld. Now, a new appeal is in the works. The Wisconsin Professional Police Association released this statement Friday. Currently, the attorney for the county and myself are awaiting potential dates for the hearing. I expect the hearing will likely occur sometime in February or March. And even though the trial came out in Stratman's favor, her attorney says no one walked away a winner.
I'm sure she's relieved about this result. I know she can't possibly be happy because the events that occurred. I mean, the trial does not undo what happened that night, and she's always been very upset about that.
I also reached out to Holman High School officials and spoke with Trisha Stratman's father, former La Crosse County Sheriff Mike Weissenberger, in person today. Both respectfully declined comment. Efforts to reach Brandon Jennings' family today were also unsuccessful.
Thank you, Pauline. As far as Stratman's appeal of her firing from the Sheriff's Department, an attorney with the WPPA says an arbitrator will hear the evidence to determine if there was cause for termination under the contract between the WPPA and La Crosse County.